protection or some infrastructure need to be done. Need about maybe 1 month, maybe. Yeah. Yes, I will record. No worries. I won't forget it to record. And meanwhile, I'm actually doing a streaming from YouTube, from the trading views as well. Okay, so maybe we are going to cover. Can check whether in trading view you can see the same streaming or not. Okay. No, 5 online, 6 online. Okay, some people are here already. Yeah, I know you're anxious. All right, so let's start. Okay. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, today is 2021, January 6th, and welcome to the webinar. This is a Jack from TNT Sunrise in Trading View. Okay, if you know my profile, you have visited my profile before, right? So, just a quick update of all the markets, right? So, on Monday, a lot of products are having very strong move. Okay, because the dollar index has a very huge gap. Okay, and today it has some bounce, but it still didn't change uh the bearish trend. Okay, so dollar index we are still bearish unless it. Okay, so if the dollar index maintain below 91, we still want to focus to sell the dollar index, right? And look at the euro dollar today, just breaks new high. Right, so this is a very good sign because a very strong breakout happens. And now if the price can maintain above 1.2275, it will still going up. Okay, because just now the ADP's data already released, and the data is quite bad. It's negative 13 million people. So I think the non-farm payroll is also not going to be very good, which is actually bearish for the dollar index. Okay, and for the S&P 500, the crash really happens. Okay, so it actually breaks a new high and then it just dropped a lot. I think I mentioned in my last webinar, I said break this kind of wedge, we want to sell, right? We want to sell the pullback. Okay, so you can already did that. Okay, S&P is very hard to going new high. This thing is represents a lot of selling pressure from 3780. Okay, for the Bitcoin, it rallies to all-time high 35k. Okay, but this is my view that I think the Bitcoin may have a correction in a very fast way. Okay, so be careful to purchasing a very expensive price like 34,000. That's too expensive. Okay, you have to buy the low and sell the high. And now you can see this bearish already comes. Okay, let me show you what is bearish divergence. Yeah. Oh, Raphael, hi, good morning. I'm not back in Singapore. I'm still in Shanghai. Yeah, I'm still in Shanghai. lower high and the price showing a higher high, correct? So this is a bearish divergence for the Bitcoin. This is a very dangerous signal. Okay, maybe the price will have a huge fall, just like what it did on Monday here, like this, a very huge crash later. Okay, because this is a pin bar here, this is selling pin, this is bullish pin, and these two pin together represents a divergence. Bullish people still want to trying so hard to break new high, but fail to maintain above. And there are some bearish people who want to sell, but also the sellers fail to control the price below 33K. So hence, now this is a battle zone here. Okay, each side wins will actually push the price in a higher high or in a lower high, in a very big drop or very big rally. Okay, so this is what I'm worried about. A lot of people, a lot of novice traders will just see the price rally very good, a very strong bullish trend, and trying to all in or trying to buy very heavy position at a very high price, and which is a very dangerous signal. So I want to highlight this. Okay, do not chase the price. Do not set a very high expensive price with no stop loss, with no risk calculation. Okay. All right. What I'm feel is after two try rule of this be ready. This is first try. This is second try, but it forms a pin bar. Okay. Below the 8 EMA, which is about 33,834. Okay, so watch this level 33,834. Okay, so you can use the 4-hour chart, 4-hour charts, 8 EMA to identify whether the trend starts to change or not. Okay, use this for your monitoring tools. Okay, if the 4-hour chart can close below, which forms a big red candle, close below 33418. Okay, it actually may tells you that another fall is coming, and this time the second fall may drop back to 28K at least. And if 28K cannot support, okay, it will go back to 24K about here. Okay, because this zone is definitely all those big players, all those institutional players are trying to accumulate their orders. And after they accumulate, and that's where no people want to sell the Bitcoin, the institutional players are not selling, and it rallies very fast about 8,000 US dollar. And now it's time for the correction to show, and the bearish divergence already comes. Okay, so I want you guys to understand this kind of situation. Be careful, the Bitcoin may have a deep correction. All right, okay, good. Yeah, thanks. So let's start move for gold. Okay, gold has a quick drop just now, but eventually still have a trend above the 8 EMA, which is 1914. So if the gold can stay above 1909 or 19110, okay, it's still bullish. Okay, this is a very good structure. So I will watch for this structure to break out and pull back and go for next rally again. Another structure is very good resistance as well. So 1965, once it was broken, it will move the price to 2000 at least. Okay, so right now we can use these two structure. One is the top one is 1965, the bottom one is 1910. Okay, trying to buy the low. Don't forget from Friday, which is 2 days later, we are going to have the non-farm payroll, and this may lead to another rally or another drop to the gold. In a 1-hour chart, we can see a very quick fall back to the 89 EMA, which is 1928. However, don't change the zero. The uptrend channel is still there. Okay, this is just a normal correction, a normal pullback, and I think the as signs of gold still assume the gold is still in a bullish way, bullish trend. Okay, daily chart is no problem, just the 80 EMA maybe having some pullback to the 80 EMA and it goes up again. Okay, just like what it did in the here, somewhere here. Okay, you can see this pullback, and now the short 80 EMA is going to expand. Okay, and now today has already trying to break the previous, but failed to break new low. In 30 minutes charts, you already have some consolidation area, which is around 1928 to 1940. Okay, so we can make use of this consolidation area. Let me show you. Okay, so you can basically have two strategy. Okay, one is when a price breaks 1940 pullback, you can go buy to aim 1955. This is one. Second strategy is when the price break 1925 pullback, you can sell. Okay, and then in between you can buy the low and sell the high. Okay, so basically there are three strategy we're going to use whenever you find a consolidation zone. Okay, you can do this all the time. Make buy the low, sell the high, or buy the breakout and buy the pullback, or sell the breakout and pullback. Right, so you can actually make a lot of money within this by making use of this consolidation zone, because consolidation rents are changing of orders. Okay, the bulls are want to buy their gold from the sellers, and the sellers want to sell the goods to those buyers, and it actually comes into a balance or equal. And but sooner or later you actually choose side, because this either is the sellers sold out of all the goods and no more cheap stuff to sell in this zone and price going up, or is the buyers spend all of their money and no more people want to buy at this 130 level and drops. Okay, that okay. Which app do you advise me to buy and sell Bitcoin? You can choose Huobi, or you can choose OKEX, or you can choose the Bit Finance, whatever good exchange you can do that. All right, I don't recommend any. Find your most comfortable one to buy and sell Bitcoin. All right, yeah, and some MT4 platform also start support their crypto market, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's go to 5-minute charts to find a quick trade. Okay, very good. We already find one test and a second test, but cannot break new low of the gold, right? So what we can do is we can buy the gold immediately, all right? Because this is a very good 618 pullback. So we can just buy the gold right now, okay, at 1934. Put your stop loss below 1926, which is about $8 move, $8 risk distance, right? And your target should be about 1950. Okay, so this could give you a 1 to 1.5 risk and reward ratio. Okay, since they already have this one bottom, the second bottom is creating, and the high is getting higher, the low is getting higher, and the price is going to break the trend line. So you can try to buy the gold right now, stop loss put below 1926 and aim 1948 and 1960. All right, so this is a very quick trade for today. And when the price break 1943, you can add some position to buy the pullback. So I will put the mark here. This is the buy we start now, and trying to close all your target, or at least half profit at 1952 zone here. Okay, so this is a quick trade for today. And on Friday, just watch for the non-farm payroll results and see whether gold can break 1965. Right? Repeat, the big money will come when 1965 was broken. Right? So give me 5. Understand this this condition. Okay, the big money will come when 1965 was broken, and you have to catch the trend. You have to be in the trade. You cannot be stay away, just hanging out and staring at the market, but without any trading or actions, right? And you have to trade in a very professional way. You have to calculate your risk reward ratio. You have to understand where is your best entry. Okay, where's the entry? Where's the stop loss? And where's your target? The target is about 2K and then 2040. Okay, 2K and 2040. This is will be the two targets for the gold in the recent rally. All right, if 1965 was broken. Okay, you have to understand this. Give me 5. All right, thank you very much. Let's move on. Another product that rallies very well is sterling. Sterling has been rally from 1.34, which I mentioned last week. This inside the bar breaks up, gives us about a 300 pips move, and today it starts to force and fail to break new low, and still above this green candle's low here, 1.3488. So I want you guys to put on your eye here to see whether the price can sustain above 1.3488. Okay, so as long as the price is above here, you are still okay to buy the sterling. Okay, because in the long term, it's still above the channel. Okay, you can see this uptrend are very strong. Okay, it continues for almost 1 year. Okay, and the low is keep getting higher. The lows is getting higher, getting higher, getting higher. Okay, and the high is getting higher as well. So this is actually tells you the sterling is really going to rally in a very fast way. Okay, and the pre-X news already happens, right? So you can see, I think sterling is still okay to buy. The 1.4 will be the target. Weekly chart, the big head and shoulder pattern already complete. So you have to understand it's going to be very strong. Okay, very strong. This is a very strong. The neckline is here. Okay, and after the break neckline, we just go up to 1.40 and 1.45, maybe going to 1.50. I don't know. So if the trend still can remains by the pullback, by any pullback, okay, daily chart, I want you guys, that's the first one, support here. This is neckline structure, but here, so you can buy starting from here and aim new high. And of course, there's the ABCD pattern as well. So you can choose the ABCD pattern, give you a very good entry. The ABCD pattern will complete at a 1.3509. You can put a buy limit there. Okay, you can buy limit at 1.3509 or 10. Okay, and a stop loss put below here 1.3436, right? And that's it. All you need to do is buy the low of sterling, aim for the next rally. Okay, understood? Gold is breaking structure. Okay, see, let's see. Okay, the gold is trying to make the bearish move, trying to protesting the previous low here. Okay, and there's Gardy patterns. Yeah, this Gardy pattern just complete. So don't short. Okay, short when the breakout happens. But if cannot break 1926, you have to buy, because this, this is a super good chance for you to have a very low risk. As long as the price cannot break 1926, it closer becomes the best reward and risk ratio you get. Okay, don't be afraid of this kind of bearish candle, because the worst case is you lose about 1% or 2% of your account if you decide to took this trade. Okay, however, you have to answer this question: why the price put the low here, and why the price cannot break low at the last time, and why this price, okay, cannot break this at this time. So you have to watch some price action here. If we observe a pin bar here, and then it will be a very good chance. But if this very bearish candle comes and breaks 1925, okay, of course we're going to change our idea, because I said the zone is broken, right? The zone is broken. So stop loss below 1926, and you can sell the pullback at the 1925. Okay, sell the pullback, go for sale. Okay, but as long as it cannot break, okay, you can just watch, because there may be some correction move. This maybe Gardy pattern happen to to push the price all the way up again. Okay, and you see now the doji shows. Okay, in 5-minute chart, doji already shows some buyer force here. Okay, zero buyers here. For those people who are selling at a very low price, will be trapped. Okay, and the Gardy pattern already completed. So I will still choose to buy the gold, and I just need to put my stop loss about 1926. That's it. Trade. Your risk distance is only about $2. Okay, right? Imagine you just aim pretend to lose about prepare to lose about $100. You can just trade a 0.5 lot. All right, and a 0.5 lot can help you to win $1,000 very easily, because gold can just move easily up to $20 in one way, right? Okay, Imagine from 1927 to 1960, your reward is going to be about $30, right? So a $2 risk for $30 move. Do you want that trade? You can see how fast it comes, right? See, you Gardy pattern happens, right? So just stick with your plan. See, that's so amazing, right? Once the Gardy pattern complete, price reversed immediately. Where's your you can right? You can give us a wrong trade. Whoa, red is very fast. See? Okay, give me 5. If you really see this happen, right? Just now, you see, just like 3 minutes ago, it's still very bearish. Now a very bullish candle occurs. Wow, so cool, right? Gardy patterns. And I told you, see, already you rolled a 2 to 1 already. If you buy at a 1927, now it's 1935. Immediately you earn $8. Your stop loss is only $2. 1 to 4. Yeah. Who knows? I may get stop out. But now in this situation, we already make a 2 to 1 reward and risk ratio. Our stop loss was never touched. Okay? In the Gardy pattern, it's making very well. So you can close half profit right now and okay, wait for the price to break this newly formed wedge and it will ready to 1950 very soon. Can you see this? All right, so this is what we call professional trading. We just want to put our trade, okay, put our risk in those worst trade, in those 5A trade. We don't want to pull our trigger at any time. We only want to aim for this very extreme price, very good price, and we are ready to do 3 plans at one time. Okay, as I said, we can choose to buy at this time 618. All right. Okay, we can choose to buy at the Gardy patterns. Okay, we can choose to buy again when it breaks 1943. Okay, 1943 broken, it definitely will move least to 1960. We can also choose to sell the breakout. 1925 was it. And now we can already have the half profit close and put your stop loss to break even, so that you will have a risk-free trade. You won't be worried about any more. Okay, what happened if the stop loss was hit at the okay? Yeah, it's very simple. So don't think that accuracy is the most important thing. We don't need 100% or 90% accuracy or winning ratio. Okay, we need a very good reward and risk ratio plus a stable winning ratio. That's it. That's how we make money. Okay, good. Our Bitcoin, I already told you guys to be careful about this kind of bearish divergence. So I was worried about this new high that was created in this today's Asia time. But when the price failed to break 5K and it breaks down the 33,500, okay, I think it's going to crash. All right, so just watch for this to happen, okay? And you know what you know what you can do, okay? Because when this new high was created, but failed to maintain above, that is a fake key breakout, and sell the pullback, okay? Sell the pullback. Maybe we drop to 30K or 24K, 28K and 24K. So get ready for this kind of thing to happen. Maybe we just quick crash. So don't chase the price, right? Consider to sell some or consider to short some Bitcoin. Just put your stop loss above new high. That's it. Okay. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Already bullish been buying 15 minutes. All right. Let's go for oil. Oil, very strong move from 47.50. I think last week I said the oil will still move to 50, and now the 50 already comes. Okay. So oil have already hit our target, and in the next movement for the oil will be still the pullback. Okay, so the bullish trend is here. okay, and the strong candle occurs. So any pullback to this trend support line can buy, and go to 4-hour chart. For the price come back to this level to buy the oil, about 49. Okay, this candle is very strong. Okay, so any pullback to 49 will be a good place to buy the oil. Okay, good. Dollar Canadian, resistance at 1.2730. Okay, sell the dollar Canadian. Remember, I'm keep selling dollar Canadian. It's a very beautiful downtrend. Keeps getting lower low. Pull back, sell, pull back, sell. Okay, the dollar Canadian will go to 1.24 at least. Okay, it is a strong downtrend just occurred. So weekly chart, it will still keep falling, 1.20 already hit the previous resistance. So take some profit. Okay, we have maintained about we have already 2,000 pips from this bullish trend from 0.54 to 0.72. And for the Aussie dollar, our bulls target already hit about 0.78. So you can rest for a while. Don't force yourself to buy at this high. You can wait. Right now, the low is already moved to here. Okay, you can see the buyer's force already shifting to the latest one is 0.77. So now you can use the step 0.77 to for the next buying place. Okay, so this is Aussie and Kiwi still trend. So wait for the pullback to happen. Aussie 0.77, Kiwi wait for 0.72 will be a very good chance for you to buy here 0.72. Okay, all right. So I think that's all for today. Basically, I covered a lot of the forex pair. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot about the Ethereum. Right, Ethereum makes a super good return if you follow my analysis. I put in trading view here. I ask you guys to bought from 470 here, 570. I bought once, 480 bought another time. So yeah, you can see here. This is what happens. This is what happens, right? When it breakout happens, I caught it immediately. I said it breaks 500. You can bought from 485. I said next time will be 700 and 900, and now who knows? It comes to 11K. It's super good returns if you follow this idea. See, you almost triple your account with no leverage. Triple your account. So Ethereum, I'm still going to be bullish. Okay, weekly chart almost going to testing what 13K or 14K, but still don't force yourself to buy the very high play. Now the pullback time will be about 950 level, which is this pink bar here. This place has a good buyers here. Close some profit and let the free position run for you, all right? So they can earn a lot of money. Gold, silver, is already at a very high place. I think silver already come to the resistance as well. Okay, so 28 level could not be breakout in a very fast way or in a short time period. Okay, so you can still hold your long if you bought from very low place, but you have to be monitor this channel. If the channel was broken and the correction will happens to 24 and 25 again. Okay, silver already too expensive, but the gold broken this 618. So gold is weaker than the silver at this stage. XPEV, okay, sure. XPEV okay to buy XPEV right now. Yeah, you can see this to having a bottom here at about 39 to 38 level. So you can buy XEV again. Price, I think it's very hard for the price to drop below 30 because I know the sales figure of the XPEV is still very good in China, and they are going to export their cars to Norway, in Europe to Europe zone. So I think the XPEV has a very good technology in making automatic cars or in new energy cars. Yeah. So okay to buy XPEV. Yeah. All right. So that's all for today. Thanks for coming, and I will see you next time. All right. So plan your trade and trade your plan. Or don't gambling. Okay. Stop gambling. Stop risking all your money, okay, trying to buy the low, sell the high, trying to identify those patterns, okay, trying to use the strategy that I teach to you guys. I've mentioned to you guys, like, the ping bar strategy, the 8 EMA strategy, the Gardy patterns, okay, the structure breakout, right? Okay, whatever you can do, right? So now let's go to see gold have already 4 candles sit above one, okay, which gives you a very good signal that once the wedge or triangle was broken, okay, go for buy. The bullish wave is coming at any time. You can still buy the gold right now. Just place stop loss 1925, aim for 1950 and 1960. That's easy. Okay. The only problem is how many, okay, calculate your risk. For example, 1932 to 1925, you're risking about $7. So if you trade one lot, you are going to lose $700, right? So if you only want to lose $200, probably you're going to trade 0.33 lots. Yeah. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for coming. If you are interested to learn with me, you can go to my website, harmonicasia.com, to find my course details. And we're going to share all my strategy here and invite you to the students group. And you will a webinar. You will learn better trading strategy from me. You can know the same language as I spoken in trading world. Okay, yeah, like, what is harmonic patterns, what is structure, what is ping bar, what is 89 EMA. You can see there. Okay, so you have to do all this job to give yourself a professional trader from time to time. All right. My EA will be released, I think, in February. Yeah, because a lot of translation work needs to be done, and I have to rearrange some bug testing with the engineers. Okay, so just wait for my release. Thank you very much. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye. And for TradingView audience, all right. So my webinar, I don't know what is the the result of the streaming. You to know it feels when you hear my sound and watch my chart. Do you fully understand what I'm talking about? Okay, and I hope that you can join my webinar every week. I will try to make my webinars streaming to TradingView on every Wednesday. Okay, so yeah, this is already very late in China. Here in Shanghai, it's already about 11 p.m. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye. Yeah, and thanks for all those people who making their thumbs up, making their, yeah, all those greeting words. Okay, yeah. See you next time. Bye bye.